At the very spot at Faridabad Surajkund Mela where around 6:15 p.m. yesterday evening a tsunami swing broke down while 26 people were on board. In this whole incident, 13 people are injured and one police inspector died because he was there when the swing tilted and he was trying to help those people who are stuck inside the tsunami swing. We'll try to show you the visuals of what the aftermath of the tragedy looks like. This is the very spot where the swing was located. Now every last bit and traces of that swing has been removed from here, and its place a different joyride has been installed. A police officer was killed here and several others were injured after the tsunami swing collapsed at the Surajkund fair in Faridabad. The incident occurred when swing broke and it in fact also injured multiple visitors. The police inspector who rushed to the rescue of the injured suffered serious injuries and he later died during the rescue operation. We are showing you about how the police officials are still here investigating this whole site. This is the Jhula ground of the Surajkund fair, which draws a lot of attention from several of the people, and we are trying to show you the visuals of the very spot where it was installed. Officials have said that a total of 13 people were injured in the accident, and district officials including the deputy commissioner and the managing director of tourism reached the spot soon after the incident. The area was barricaded to prevent further mishaps, but according to police officials, an FIR has been registered on the person who was in charge of the tsunami swing. It has also been said by the officials that a committee has been made which will be headed by the additional deputy commissioner who will be looking after whose fault it was which led to this tragedy that left 13 people injured, and a police inspector who tried to save people who were on board the joyride. He also died. He was from Mathura and he was posted in Palwal. His duty was in this Mela ground and he was in charge of this whole Jhula ground where several different joyrides have been installed. We can clearly show you in the picture. The certification right now is in the question as to who was the person who oversaw the certification of the very joyride which took life of a police inspector and has left 13 people injured in the whole process. With camera person Aman, this is Anushka Garg for NETV.